So today we'll be discussing about agency hide anything. On the app marketplace, you can find in the navigation bar, you can find for agency hide anything. Here it is. As you can see, I have installed it already. It is agency app, so you will be only installing it on the agency level. After doing so, you will be the next step will be moving forward towards the leveler marketplace to get it configured. Let me show you how to do that. Find for leveler marketplace here in the navigation bar. Just a moment. Here we are. You have to search for agency hide anything again. Open the app. This is the interface basically. The first step will be moving forward towards to just copy the script and paste it into your settings. Find for the company here, and down below you will be copy pasting that script and update the company. Now the app is connected to your agency. You can just customize and just use the options that the agency hide anything is offering to you. Let's go back. Let's just go back. Find for level of marketplace again in the navigation bar and search for agency hide anything again. Search again for agency hide anything. Close this one. Open the app. So basically, the basic need of this app is to hide anything from any of your specific sub accounts, multiple sub accounts, or from all of your sub accounts, to just to limit them not to use the that specific option, that specific version. And this will be the basic version of that. You can set a theme, you can name that theme, you can just choose the location on that, and it will be providing you with the options to what to hide and what to show. So, and you can just choose the global configuration. In that, you will be, if you just hide anything, it will be applied on all of your sub accounts. Now, for example, to set an example for the moment, if you want to hide the conversations from all of your sub accounts, click on this one. There will be more options, but if you hide this, these all will be hidden. If we want to do that, just save this, and let's just choose any of our sub account. For the time being, this is available. Click on it. If it is still showing to you, you just refresh. As you can see, It's loaded completely now when we had refreshed, and we had hidden the conversations. You have noticed that the conversations are hidden from all of the sub accounts. We had this one available, so I have shown this one to you guys. So this is how it works. So it's simple and easy to operate. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.